Hello and welcome to our channel where we simplify business accounting and tax filing. Today we're guiding you through the process of filing a self-assessment partnership tax return SA800 in the UK. In the UK, partnerships don't pay business taxes. Instead, partners are taxed on their share of profits. Partnerships must file an SA800 form to report income, expenses and profit splits for personal tax purposes. General partnerships, LLPs, and limited partnerships with at least one limited liability partner must file a SA800. Even if there's no profit or the partnership is dormant, submitting a partnership tax return is required by HMRC. SA800 paper returns are due by the 31st of October, and online returns must be filed by the 31st of January after the tax year ends. Missing these dates incurs a £100 fine, increasing until the SA800 is filed. Avoid late filing by using our easy digital filing software, which simplifies the process. Let's walk through how to complete an SA800 using our platform. First, log into your Easy Digital Filing account. If you filed with us before, you'll find your previous information in the Filings View section. If you're new, creating an account is straightforward from the home screen. Once logged in, click on Add Filing and select Partnerships. You'll see options for Companies House submissions and the self-assessment form. Choose Self-Assessment Partnership and input the reporting period start date and click Create Filings. Some information like partnership name and registration number will be pre-filled. If you filed with us before, your unique taxpayer reference will also be filled in automatically. If not, enter the missing details. You'll also need to provide your HMRC Gateway credentials. If you haven't registered with HMRC, you can do so on their website. Don't forget to activate the self-assessment service for partnerships. Now it's time to complete the return. Toggle Yes for sections that apply to your partnership. Next, fill in your income and expenses. If your annual turnover is below $85,000, enter your turnover and allowable expenses here. If it's higher, toggle Yes and fill out the income statement. Make sure to also include business or investment income if applicable. If you've purchased assets like computers and machinery that last more than 1 year, you'll also need to add capital allowances. If not, simply move on. Next, complete the individual partnership statement. You need at least 2 partners' details, including names and addresses. Within the partner details, please input the UTR, national insurance number, and the date that each partner was appointed. Use the partnership statement short form if there are up to 3 partners with only trading professional or bank interest income. If there are more partners or additional income types, you would be required to complete the full form. Here some additional sections may apply. You can use the SA801 for UK property income, SA802 for income from foreign property or overseas sources, SA803 if the partnership disposed of chargeable assets, and SA804 to report income from savings, investments and other sources. Once these sections are completed, enter the name of the person declaring the return and the date. Please ensure you review everything carefully. When you're satisfied with your filing, click Save and mark it as ready to file. Your filing will appear in the Filings View section. Click the card icon to proceed with payment. Enter your card details and select Pay Now. Once payment is completed, you'll be redirected to the Filings View page. Now click on the Submit icon and then Submit Filing to HMRC. This submission covers your HMRC obligations only. If you need to file LLP accounts with Companies House, that requires a separate submission. You can see that your filing submission is accepted by HMRC. You're able to download your filing artifacts here. That's it, you've successfully completed your SA800. If you have any questions or run into issues, contact us via the chat, our inquiry form or phone. Thank you for choosing Easy Digital Filing.